Clear for takeoff, runway 33, that's Sky 01. Okay, that's clearance received. Takeoff. Manflex 67, SRS, runway, auto thrust blue, thrust set. Knots. Stop. Spoilers, reverse green, decel. Vasco 01 stopping. Attention crew at stations. Why did we stop? Master caution, engine 2 reverse unlocked. ECAM actions. Engine 2 reverse unlocked. Engine 2 at idle. Engine master 2 off. Engine master 2 off. Clear engine 2. Clear engine 2. Status. Are there any checklists, any OBs or any computer resets we need to do? Negative. Do we need to evacuate? I don't think we need to evacuate. There's no danger to life at the moment, and the aircraft's only got a reverse run lock, so no, I don't think an evacuation is needed. Okay, so let's inform ATC that we're able to vacate, and we'll vacate the next right.